Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit the checkout page in WooCommerce in 2024. Customizing your checkout page can improve the user experience and increase conversions for your shop. So I'll guide you through on how to make some changes, example, to field, layout, and also style to your WooCommerce page, checkout page. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. And of course, once you open that browser, you can just go to the URL section, just type woo, as an example, commerce.com and hit the enter button. Of course, we'll use WooCommerce and WordPress. And for me, I'll use it on my local hosts. So basically, once you're in WooCommerce, of course, if it's your first time, you will need to go on and log in into an account. If you have an account, if you don't have an account, go and create a new account, as you can see. And you can use like Google, Apple, GitHub if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here, an example, and you can simply start accessing your store right away. So let me just go here to my stores. For example, I have this store. I can just go and access it. Okay, I'll just go and click on manage store. Okay, something wrong with this. Of course, you can go and connect like another store, something like that, but not what I'm going to do. And of course, the same. Normally, WooCommerce, as we said before, I'll use in WordPress. So, of course, to use WooCommerce in WordPress, you'll need to install its plugin. If you don't have it, of course, you can go to this left panel, go to plugins, click on Add New, and simply look for WooCommerce plugin as an example. So you'll need to look for WooCommerce plugin, as you can see, and just go and install it, of course. And once it's installed, of course, you'll have to activate it. You can even click on it to see everything about it if you want to. So as an example here, just wait a little bit until it's installed. It should not take a lot of time. And once it's installed, of course, then you can activate it. Of course, in the meanwhile, you can see and read the description of it, installation, frequently asked questions, change logs, screenshots of how it's going to look like, as an example, and even reviews of other people as well once it's installed. As you can see for me in here, I have incompatible with my version of WordPress, so I'll probably have to like upgrade my or update my WordPress. So for you, make sure you have the latest like version, so you'll be able, of course, to use the WooCommerce. So yeah, once installed, you'll have to go and click on activate, and here we are. So plugin cannot be activated. Fatal error. Yeah, it will not be activated because of the as we said, like the incompatibility. So that's why it will not be able to use it. But anyway, once you click on activate, of course, you'll be able to start using like WooCommerce on your WordPress. You can then go now to this list panel, click on pages in here, and simply you will have to go to your like checkout page. For me, I don't have a checkout page yet, so I'll just go here and click on add new. If you have WooCommerce, of course, you'll be able to edit with WooCommerce right away. So here for the page example, I'll just name it like here, checkout like page. So checkout page in here. And of course, you can start adding whatever you want on this checkout page. Of course, after that, you can also publish this page and you'll find it here in pages. Once you click on pages, you'll find your checkout page in here. And of course, you can edit it however you want. You can add whatever you want on it. As you can see, with WordPress, you'll not be able to add multiple stuff on it. But if you have your WooCommerce plugin added and activated, you'll be able to add or to do multiple stuff. And yeah, of course, basically, this is going to be the preview of the page if you want to see it out and how it's going to look like. So you just have to make the edits that you want. You'll be able, of course, to add your media. As an example, you'll be able to add some videos, some, I don't know, pictures, audios if you want, insert something from a URL. You'll be able even to do I don't know, add some text, add some permalinks, or add some links, as an example. So it's basically up to you to make any change that you want on your WooCommerce page. And of course, you can also like just connect that in here. So you can always go and click on connect a new store, go to your basically And of course, once you make all your changes, make sure to save it and publish it. And you will find it published, of course. You can always just click on it and click on the link right here. So if I make any changes, example, so I'll just add some random things in here. I'll add maybe something from my PC, like this picture, insert into the page. I don't know, I'll just add some text as well. And here, click on update. And as you can see, once we click on it, as you can see, it will be on my checkout page however I want. Of course, as I said, if you have the plugin of WooCommerce added and activated, you will have multiple options to edit more stuff, not like, as we said, you will have multiple things to edit. So I'm kind of like sad because it's in my local host, like it didn't work the plugin of WooCommerce, so I'll not be able exactly to show you how to edit it. But it's actually very simple. You can even like check some articles. So edit like page in WooCommerce, as example, and you can check like an article on how to edit like a page in WooCommerce. They'll show you even like how to do some cool stuff that you can follow as example. And it's actually very useful to do so. So example, you'll be able basically to use this in WordPress as we said before. And yeah, they will tell you, as we said, to how to do some cool stuff if you want to add them and do them. And yeah, just follow here maybe this article. And yeah, as you can see, a lot of things here that will be useful for you to use. You can add them and you can preview, of course, the changes in here and everything. If everything is looking as intended, you can simply just go and click on publish and or update and publish it. And of course, you'll be able to see it on your checkout page from there. So yeah, I guess that normally should be it. That's how you edit your checkout page in WooCommerce. And yeah, so make sure to leave like down below in the comment section and the comments, of course, in the comment section if you find this tutorial helpful. So thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.